So we basically at the finish line. Only things that need to be done now is the hardwood floors. I'm waiting on the guy to get an estimate. He's supposed to come tomorrow, but so until then, me and the wife just came to clean up everything, get rid of all the materials that was left over, freshen up the bathroom and the kitchen, mop the kitchen and bathroom floors and stuff like that. Get everything that was left out the basement in the living room, and then should be ready to put on the market in a few days.
Oh shoot, forgot about the alarm. So we're here today because I got the estimate for the flow, and needless to say, way too much. I only got like $500 left in the budget. I'm trying to keep it under 15,000. So boom, he wanted like 1,200 to what they call it, skim and gloss or whatever, screen and gloss. So I'm like, you know what? Floors ain't that bad. I'm gonna just do it myself. And boom, I'm saving myself about about $1,000. Cause yeah, I ain't got no problem doing a little bit of work. About to fill these gaps with some wood filler.
You save your money because you giving me,
And
that good $20 an hour, and I get done with this. And
about to try out this stuff I bought from this guy, see if it worked. What it say? Concentrated all-purpose cleaning product, non-toxic. What's the ingredient? How you do this? Water-based, biodegradable, no harsh chemicals. That's what I'm talking about. It smells good too.
Hey, let's go to Dollar Tree real quick. Buy one of them dollar tiles so we can get all the film off the floor. Then I scrub it. I'm talking about right here, the wood. Get all the film off. I'm fixing to be on my hands and knees.
You ain't gotta do it. That's why I got the mop. You spray it, you use the mop.
But you doing that be okay? I got you.
And you put the bucket in my bucket and you clean it up.
But here, you see, all this stuff on here gonna be on that mop. So
And that's why you bring it out.
Okay.
I got a mop bucket.
All right.
Look, see this?
I'm with you.
This is
I'm
a
with
mop.
you.
This is a mop. This is how you do it. See that? Boom. Lift it up. Bam. Bomb. As they say in New York. All right, I'm about to see if this junk works. It's coming up, but
White people be making all types of shit. First, then they think Thomas Edison and invented electricity and all that shit.
we didn't invent electricity. Electricity is not invented.
Whatever it was.
We discovered.
Oh, come on, man.
What, nigga? You doing a lot of whining. What's up now?
You messed the mop up.
I didn't even go over there.
Oh.
Why don't you?
I just want to see what it do to get over here. You do the chemistry work. I do muscle work. Would be like a Breaking Bad.
Yeah.
You ever see that movie?
Come on, man. It's a show for one. And of course I've seen it.
Movie, show, sitcom. You always trying to be politically correct.
I'm correct. What you want me to do? I can't help.
Did you just say sweet? Did we sweet?
He got jokes. Yeah, I did.
We sweet.
Look at you breaking cameras. Let's just unplug all that and put it over here.
You got sawdust, sand, paint, all that. Just you said you was gonna listen. So if I wipe all of this off and then we mop it, it's gonna be,
What sense does that make? Shouldn't you mop first and then go wipe the little stuff?
No, because you're getting all the film and dust off the floor. Have you been?
How many times you have to wring that rag off to get the film?
I'm not trying to wring the rag off. I'm just trying to make sure when we mop it, all the stuff is off the floor.
How you gonna do it?
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
You just better be done in an hour.
Okay. How much? How many hours have we been so far?
30 minutes. We got here.
We
talking
been
about
there 30.
As soon as we got here, you clean for 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Oh man, we gotta get this, man. We gotta go to the dollar store.
We still on the clock.
I'm about to go do some real work in the basement.
You better put that thing on the duck thing on.
About to, right now.
Now this is what I told him, how we got all that film on. Now this is how the floor looked in the beginning with the film. Now, if he did, now I told him, you know, look at this floor. I just did that. Now look at the floor to this. Look at the floor to this. You see it shining? You know, but anyway, getting back to this, look at this floor. Now look, now this is gonna be the before and after. I want him to see what it looks like, just like this here. Cause he don't give me the credit to know that I know it. I want you to look in this process. But anyway, check this out. Feast y'all eyes on that. Y'all will never see him doing manual labor like that again.
Nigga, please, I did my first house by myself.
How many houses is this now? Okay, so when the last time you look at this floor I just did? Look at this floor. You know, I put in the work because this man looked out for me when I was at my lowest peak. Boom.
See what this guy doing, man. He think he know what he doing.
Look at this floor. Hold on. Get your let's do this for me.
Do what?
So your people see what I'm doing. Like I said, we went 80 years back on this one. How many brothers you see get on the floor and doing the floor like this? Every room, and you talking about you gonna give me $50 and I done did 4 rooms.
Hey. How many brothers let a nigga just, you know, squander $2,200 package?
Oh, you gonna really say that on real?
You
telling the truth?
A $2,200 package, and oh man, I thought it's gone.
Hey, now you talking. Now that's some real. I got mad respect.
I'm always talking real. What's wrong with you? Let's see if this stuff come up. Let me see. Okay, goof off is the truth. Alright, put some of this poly down on these counters.
The jungle has toys to separate the men from the boys. You taking your shoes off?
Alarm off.
Okay, boy. Okay, boy. Put some of the stuff over in there. Good, man. It look good.
You like that? I'm doing a coat for you.
Oh yeah, cause you didn't do that part. Yeah, you didn't do that part, brother. You did a good job, sir.
That's what I do, young fella.